Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Grok AI 2.0. Firstly, log into your X account and find the Grok in the side menu. Sign up for a free account and follow the setup instructions. Also, you can download the Grok app from the App Store and complete registration. Now, ask questions, summarize documents, or brainstorm ideas using natural language. Just a tip to keep your queries concise for faster and more accurate responses. You can also upload images to gain insights, detect patterns, or retrieve information. Free users get 3 image analysis per day. Premium users get more. And also, developers can integrate Grok 2 into their own applications using its API. Consider subscribing to X Premium Plus for seamless ad-free access. Explore Grok 2's Enterprise API with $25 in free beta credits. Use text queries and image analysis for deeper insights. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.